Question number 5 is written, the following account appeared in the books of Mary. If we consider ourselves to be Mary, then below we are given Paul's T account. In it, an opening balance is given on April 1, from which it is not clear whether Paul is our supplier or a customer. Then on April 14, sales are given, confirming that Paul is our customer. Therefore, an increase on its debit side means our receivables will increase, and entries on its credit side will show that this receivable is decreasing. So the $90 balance BD on April 1 shows that Mary, have to receive $90 from Paul. So Paul is indebted to Mary. Then on April 14, Mary sold goods worth $150 to Paul. On the credit side, on April 21, returns of $25 shows that Paul returned some goods to Mary. And on April 30, the bank amount of $88 shows that Paul paid us. He has paid to Mary and also availed a $2 discount. And the $125 balance CD shows that Paul is still indebted to Mary for $125. Okay, so that's the interpretation of this T account. Below it is written which statement is correct. Now let's read the options. Option A is written, on 1 April, Paul owed Mary $90. Paul owed Mary means Paul owed to me. That is, he is my receivable. We have already discussed that on April 1, Paul is indebted to Mary for $90. So this option is correct. Option B is written, on 14 April, Paul sold goods for $150 to Mary. No, this is an incorrect option because we have already analyzed that Mary sold goods to Paul, not Paul to Mary. Option C is written, on 21 April, Mary returned goods for $25 to Paul. This is also incorrect because we have already discussed that Paul returned the goods. Option D is written, on 30 April, Mary owed Paul $125. This option is also incorrect because Paul is indebted, not Mary. Paul has to make the payment. Okay, so the correct option is option A. I trust that was understandable.